guys, I hope you're well and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a bag of goodies from the new Boots brand, C.Y.O. I went to the launch a couple of weeks ago. You may have seen on my Instagram stories and Snapchat. Got all these goodies and from this amazing brand, which can I just say, literally all under £10. Like, not all of this, but individually priced. Every single item is under £10. Like, this brand is so affordable but yet so good. So let's go in and see what we can find. Okay, straight out with my favourite. So the first one is this bronzing shimmer oil, which is basically described as the gift of gold, and it is. It's basically to use like on your body, and it gives you the glow. Do you know what? Let's just put a little bit on my shoulder. See, this is out here and bare. Can you see how shiny my shoulder is now? And it's like golden. Wow, that is shiny. See how shiny that is? Can you hear that banging? Don't know what that banging is. There you go. That's how shiny my shoulder is. So that's the body oil. It is so lovely. Right, I've got two cream shadow and blush things, so you can use them on your eyes or your cheeks, and they're just like cream blushes, really. Really nice. They're matte, but you know how cream blush gives you that glow even though it's matte. So yeah, just lovely. They last really lovely and they look really nice on the eyes as well. So I've got two shades here. So I've got a complete like nude one called Smart Talk, and I've got a pink one called Storyteller. So they're great. Then I have these eyeshadows, which like metallic crush on metal eyeshadows. So these are literally like pigments. So I've got two shades here. I've got Lovey Dovey, which is kind of like a copper. I wouldn't say rose gold, it is definitely a copper. And then College Crush, which is a gold. I'm just going to swipe these for you. You're going to have to look at my blog for like close-up swipes and stuff. But can you see how shimmery they are? Like, and the pigment, that was literally one swipe. So they are so pigmented, and last time I got all like the makeup artists at the event had this on their eyes, and they all looked so amazing and so shimmery, glittery, like really nice. I really love these eyeshadows. So comment below, let me know if you want me to do a look, because I would love to. Then what do we have next? Oh, we have a metallic liquid lipstick, which again is gorgeous, like rose gold metallic shade. You see that there. I wouldn't wear this to my lips because I would look dead, but I'm going to try this on the eyes because I think it would make a good eyeshadow. It's just, look at that shine. It's shine. It's not shimmer. It's definitely shine. So I love that. This was really good as well. This is the metallic eye stick. So you can put this under the eyeshadow as like a base, but it's so shimmery. So you can just do it like that, but then when you rub it, it's like, it becomes more glittery. It's really nice. I don't think you're going to be able to see it on camera, but it's just really nice, like shimmery glitter. Kind of like a nice base, or to wear it by itself in case you find like these pigments are a bit much for like an everyday look. One of my favourites is this illuminating mixing cream. So it just comes in one shade for all. I'm running out of hand space, and you can, oh, that's too much there. And you can either kind of, okay, that was just way too much. You don't need this much at all. Do not make that mistake. You need less than half a pump. But the idea is you can either wear it under your makeup to kind of give you like a glow. You see that glow? Or you can mix it in with your foundation or moisturiser to give you that glow. So if you're having like a foundation free day, you can mix it in with a moisturiser and it will give you like a really nice glow to your skin. Alternatively, you can mix it with your foundation. If you want to mix it in with your foundation, you also have a nice glow with your foundation. So you basically put your primer, then either mix this in with your foundation or moisturiser and put it on, or you can just put it on and then put your foundation on top, with a moisturiser or whatever it is. But I really, really love the glow that this gives. It's lovely, and it's one shade for all, but it still gives you the glow. Then I have got a, what have I got? Oh, I've got a matte pressed powder. This shade is quite dark, so it's a nice kind of like bronzer contour shade for myself, but it's a nice finish, doesn't look muddy. It's a nice little compact as well, so if you had the right shade I would use it like as a compact in my handbag. Oh well, as I was just talking about contour, you know I love stuff like this. This is a contour sweep into shape, so on one side you've got highlight and on the other side you've got contour. And it blends really, really, really nicely, and it's so easy to use, so I love this. I think I'm going to do a complete tutorial with all these things so you can see how they all work. I have lipstick and liner. These are really cool as well because you've got a liner on one side to give you that precision and to line your lips, and then on the other side you've got a lovely lip crayon. So I've got two really, really pretty shades here. One is called Too Clever by Half. No? Oh, this one's called Big Idea. That's a red one. And it's like nudie pink, which is lovely. It's called Rainmaker. So I've got those two. Then, lastly, I've got two more products here. I've got a cold gel liner. So the crayon one is really nice, but if you want a bit more precision, or you want it for your waterline, then I'd go for these. And they're gel liners, and they're so smooth. This is a great one called Setting Our Sights, which is a lovely, I keep on saying the name of the product, Rich List. Which is just like a lovely gold shimmer, so that's nice. But all of these were nice and really, really pigmented. I'm really impressed by how pigmented all the products are, just like with like one swipe of just like one little swatch, and it's so pigmented. There's actually like blush palettes and bronzers and stuff which I didn't actually pick up on the day because I think they'd run out, but there's a lot more in the collection. I'm just showing you, like they had coloured mascaras as well, and like lots of like festival-y things for like summer coming up. There's so much stuff in the collection. I didn't pick up everything, but yeah, have to check it out in your nearest bookstore. And the last product is a brow sculpting pencil. So on this side you have a nice eyebrow pencil, just filling your brows, and always useful the spoolie to just brush it all out. Just to give you like a taster of what's available and how excited I am about these products. I will be doing like a blog post kind of just showing you what's available and everything, so you can see swatches and stuff up close, and you can see the actual product up close as well, because I know it's sometimes difficult to see in a video situation. And if you want to see a tutorial with me using all this stuff, then comment below and let me know. I will see you very, very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat, because if you follow me on Instagram already, you would have seen my Instagram stories and you would have known that this video was coming up. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye guys!